Three things that you have to consider when you are planning for a dedicated home theater room. Hello everyone, I am Tanmay Mehta, your home technology consultant at Touchwood Automations, and today I am going to share with you three important factors or three important things that you have to consider when you are planning for a dedicated theater room. Now the reason to do this particular video is after so much engagement with all of you through YouTube videos, through chats or comments, or through my team chats, I have realized that all of you, or rather most of you, are actually planning for a separate room for theater purpose, and there have been so much of unclarity on how you should really plan this particular theater room and what are the things that is together going to contribute in making a great home theater room. So I thought that in this particular video, let us understand that the three main things that you need to consider in your home theater room, and when your mind start rolling and when you're planning to think about doing this theater room, you actually think upon these three parameters that we are going to cover today. Now before I begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel, because your subscription encourages me to sit here, make this video for you and bring out more such valuable information which is just helping all of you in making very well informed, wise and correct decisions when it comes to buying anything and everything in home technology industry. So if you have already seen our past videos, I know most of you have, and have already subscribed to our channel, a big thank you to you. And for all those of you who are still contemplating whether to subscribe, well, let me just say, give it a thought or give it a try and see what happens. I'm sure that this particular video or our other videos are just going to keep on adding value to you. Well, so let's go back to our topic of three main important things that you have to consider for theater room. So the very first important thing without which rather any theater room in the world would be incomplete is your AV equipment gear. Now what do I mean by your AV equipment gear? Well, it's the audio and the video equipments. In the audio part, you can have your speakers, amplifiers, then your media players or gaming console, content players, etc. Then you have your video equipments, which is your screen. Then you have your projectors, it can be your TV. Now this particular video, we are going to stick more with the projector screen and a little less with the TV. So the audio video equipment gear is the first aspect of it, but it is going to be incomplete without the cables. So yes, cables and the audio video equipment gear is together going to be the number one parameter that you have to consider when you are planning for a home theater room. Now many people ask us that hey, these are just equipments, can I just not buy them later? Why do I need to hire a consultant when it comes to my house interior work? Well, the reason being that your consultant is going to know that which is the right location of the speaker, how you should lay the cable, what are the different calculations used, the angle used, and based upon that he is going to plan for that particular room's wiring structure. Rather, he is going to be the wiring architect of that room. He is going to tell you what all lights you have to use, how the lighting has to be done in the theater room, what distance should the projector mount be installed, and for all that purpose, planning for a home theater room requires you to hire a consultant at a very early stage. So that is very number one important parameter, because believe me guys, you can shell a lot of money on the equipments, but if at all they are not positioned or installed at the right location, your entire system or that experience of the surround sound is going to go for a toss. And that is why you need to know that which are the right locations, which are the right speakers, or whether I should go for what sort of combination of speakers in my theater room. And all this can happen in the initial stage of planning of your home theater room. So the number one important parameter is the AV equipment gear. Now the number two important parameter in your home theater room is going to be the decor aspect of it. And when I say decor, I mean acoustics, because acoustic plays a very important role when you are planning, or rather when you are designing your theater room. So when you are planning for a theater room, if it's not planned in an ideal manner, wherein you are considering the acoustic material, you are considering acoustic treatment, how much ever best the system in the world that you are buying, but if at all the room acoustics is not measured and done properly or treated properly, your entire system or your entire experience is going to go for a toss. And I know that you don't want to do that, especially when you are putting in your hard-earned money behind this particular room. So for that reason, acoustics is the second important parameter that you have to consider when it comes to planning for a home theater room. Now, certain tips that I can give you here is consider dark colors, because any home theater room will not be great without these dark colors. You need opaque colors, you need colors which are not going to reflect light, so make sure to use that. You need to consider a good carpet on the floor, so that that feel of walking into a theater starts right at the door, and when you sit at the chair you have been surrounded by a great ambience of great colors, which is also done up in a good acoustic manner. So you have got two things in acoustics that you have to consider. One is the absorption and the second is the diffusion, because both these things together is going to create that acoustic treatment for your room, which will cut down on your echoes and reverbs. Now, we are not saying that you need this room to be fully treated with acoustics. You can leave away certain elements, but you need to really consider acoustics very, very wisely when you're planning for a dedicated home theater room. Now, I understand that many people have these queries that until unless I install my speakers, how will I understand that whether I really need acoustics and how much acoustics should I do? Well, here's my tip for you. The very first areas that you have to consider for acoustics is number one, your side walls, and especially the front parts of your side walls, because by any system in the world, these main surfaces in the front are going to be your first or your early reflection points, and you have to treat them irrespective of what system you buy. So that is something which you have to do prior. The second thing that you have to do in acoustics, irrespective of what system you buy, is your carpet, because carpet not just absorbs the sound, but it also adds up to the entire ambience of a great home theater room. So that is another thing that you have to consider. The main thing that you have to consider, as I said, is the color combination of that room. So for all these reasons, when you are planning for a home theater room, acoustics is the second most important factor or a parameter which you have to think for when designing or when planning for a dedicated home theater room. Now, the third thing that you have to consider when you are planning for a home theater room is obviously the chairs or the recliners. Now, we have come across so many clients, especially in India, because we are, many people live in a joint family, or they do home theaters for larger people, or larger number of people or a larger group of people. And in those cases, you have to consider that how much of them can I accommodate on the recliners. Do I need normal chairs? Do I need auditorium chairs? Or am I going to just put a small bed in there? Or am I going to use low height sitting or bean bags for kids, etc.? So these sitting options need to be evaluated very, very properly when you're planning for a budget, not budget, but when you're planning for a dedicated theater room. Because imagine you're walking into a room which has great ambience, you have great acoustic treatment, you have got a great system installed at the right location, and everything is perfect. But if you're sitting in the chair which is very, very uncomfortable, how much of that experience are you really going to enjoy? I'm sure you're not going to even sit there for more than half an hour or 1 hour. And that is the reason why you need to carefully plan for your sitting in that particular area or in that particular room, so that everybody is at their comfort, everybody is mentally engrossed in that particular movie cause of the great sound and the video effect, and cause of great ambience in the decor. You all feel that, okay, I just want to sit here and I don't want to go anywhere. And that can't really happen when you create or when you plan for the theater rooms very, very carefully using these 3 tips. Now, I know most of you are eager to know about the budgeting aspect of it. If you already are, drop in your comments in the comment section below and help us understand that how have you proceeded ahead with this particular planning of a home theater room. and whether you have really considered all these three things that we have just listed, and how has it helped you in making up or in doing your theater rooms. So once again, let me just revise or conclude all these things for you. The first important thing that you have to consider for your dedicated home theater room is your AV equipment gear. The second thing that you have to consider is your acoustics or your room treatment in terms of the decor. And the third important thing that you have to consider is the sitting for completing that decor or for completing that particular theater room. Believe me guys, you just have to take care of these three things at the right time, that is during the planning of a theater room, because if you start early, you are going to finish off in the right manner and you will not regret anything later. So if you have liked this particular video or the information that we have shared, don't forget to like and help us reach out to many people by just sharing this particular video with the people in your network who are actually building up a theater room. And one of the things that you can help me actually do here, because I know that we are not the one who are designing the house, and the people who are actually designing the house are your architects and interior designers. So if you feel that by sharing this video you are actually enriching or giving a lot of value to your architects and interior designers, feel free to share this video with them, because if not you, it can also benefit a lot of other customers of the architects and interior designers by helping them understand this particular video. So that's it from my end for this particular video. I, Tanmay Mehta, your home technology consultant at Touchwood Automations, will see you in my next video. Thank you.